Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Cases to carry tools are quite topical at the moment, and you may have seen that Makita cases are popping up on eBay very cheaply. These are about £7 or £8, and the good thing about them is that they stack. They don't lock, but they stack. There's slightly different variations in their catches and maybe their handles, but the good thing is about that is that they latch, and then inside you can put your tools. This one's for a reciprocating tool, and it's and we're going to show you that again in a minute. So for £7 or £8, if you're wanting to stack, okay, they don't lock, but they do stay in your van without moving. I bought another one and I thought, oh no, it's a bit smaller. It's not what I wanted, but look at this. It too stacks. Makita have thought about that, so that's pretty good. Now, one of the things you might want to do, you let me know, is maybe put little magnets inside, those little very strong circular magnets inside, and maybe even that would make that firmer in your van. So if you're into storage cases, not a bad solution, I thought. So thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget to subscribe. We're on Twitter, Facebook and forgotten and
Instagram,
thank you, and don't forget, subscribe, and any comments, do let us know.